Welcome to AI for Daily Living, where we help make everyday life easier. Whether that's cooking dinner, managing your money, planning a trip, fixing a problem, or staying healthy. Today's topic is personalized New Year's resolutions. Build habits that actually stick. We will show you where to copy a detailed AI prompt to help you with this at the end of this video. Every January, millions of people set resolutions with the best intentions, and by February, most of them are gone. Not because people are lazy, but because the goals were never designed for real life. That's where AI can help. Instead of generic resolutions like exercise more or be healthier, AI can help you create goals that fit your energy level, your schedule, and your real-world challenges. In this post, we show you how to use a simple copy and paste AI prompt to turn big goals into small, realistic habits. You'll define what areas of life actually matter to you, like health, finances, relationships, or daily routines, and then let AI help you break those goals down into steps you can maintain. Even better, the prompt helps you plan for low-energy days, identify common failure points, and recover without quitting altogether. This isn't about perfection. It's about progress that survives busy weeks, stress, and real life. If you've ever felt discouraged by resolutions that didn't stick, this approach can completely change how you start your year. See the links in the description to copy and paste a detailed prompt and to receive our free weekly newsletter. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. We publish 5 to 6 videos per month. You never know if this or the next video might change your life, for the better